You guys ready for this shit? Go, go. That building right there, Jake. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Holy hell. You good? Hey, photographer coming to our right, don't shoot him. Are they moving up? They're moving right. They're moving right? Where's my marker? They're not pushing at all. They're really not pushing. No, they're trying to push. Hey, let's advance right. You see him over there down the street? Yeah, I know. You guys watch out, there was a second. Hey, George! What's up? He too far, he out of range. I know. I'm sweeping around. Yeah, go. No, we got 3 people moving up on the right. Austin, hold it down. Everywhere? We got it. They're on the low ground. They're in the field. With a lot of trees. We got the castle down. I think we got that squad. And then moving too far. We got the These guys, I'm moving. These guys up here. Hey, Brent! You got a guy 80 yards in front of you. And then he runs away. And let me run away.
Oh, he just.
They're behind the smoke. Be careful. We gotta advance. Hey. What? Has your gun got range? Huh? Y'all got range? Is he done? Good. Good? Yeah, we got the pin down. I'm not pinned down. I see a lot of heads, but I can't reach them. Me neither. Alright, we'll get right here and you can see the heads.
Left side's clear!
Hey, something in it. Hey, I got you. Come up. No, they're 2 feet from. We're right at, like right behind it. They're good? Yeah. If we go to the smoke, we can see. The only thing we can do is try to take these guys out right here in front of us. What? Keep filming. Just move up.
No, there's a guy, we gotta take out some people before we move up again.
Got one of them out, got one of them out. That's a bad idea there, man. We were barely out of range. Now I need a needle and thread. I really gotta lose.
We need men front and left, boys, quick!
Put it. You got one of ours right there to the left and one down now.
You alright?
I'm fine, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I got hit.
Yeah.
Is it bad? Hurts like shit.
It looks like it's painful.
Yeah. Yeah.
How many do you got?
I've got none left. It's clear over here.
Move up then.
Well, I like where I'm at for a minute. Hold it, there's one coming.
Where do you got him, Dad?
Oh.
Where do you got him?
under the wall. Hurry, right now. Just wait for him to pop out.
I got him.
There you go.
Jared, hey, you saw me reading.
Watch your reading.
In front of him. I need this down. I think about 3 bullets.
That guy's stupid.
You might want to duck. He's got a clean shot of you. He's shooting underneath you.
Yeah, I'm gonna say, yeah, 3 people.
I see his hand up. He's calling it.
Oh, he called it, guys. He called it. He called it.
He called it.
Okay, you're good. Woo!
Is that hit?
I don't know. He's out.
Where's this? Let him out in the middle. Where's coming out? Stand up.
Fence it up the middle.
No.
There's a board right there. Can I pick it up and move?
No. You're not supposed to move cover.
Can I run up to that video and take it?
Hmm?
Is filming? What the hell?
Yeah, hopefully
Okay,
this
what
one's
the hell
got
did that
shank like the
smoke
last
in your head?
camera.
You didn't get another camera shot, did you?
Last time, yeah. It's done now. I think it's spent.
Oh, hey, they see us. Watch out, I'm gonna snipe them. Fucking up every 5. Okay. Yeah, I know. Spots? I'm looking and my pants are coming down. Hey, don't get this on recording. I'm in my butt. Oh.
That's the best stuff. That goes on the blooper reel. Those are always really popular.
The bloopers. Oh yeah, everybody loves bloopers.
What the hell?
Let him out! Nice try.
The way he did that was so like retarded.
Right there on the right side of the sharp just got this guy. Or the netting. There's a few of them. Oh wait, there's a guy running down too. That's 5. That's that.
There's guys there, and there, and there, and there, and there, and they all know there's a kid right behind this pool. He crawled a long way, but he's kind of pinned down. Let him out! He's hit!